This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we'll discuss some true and false statements of control structures chapter. So number one statement is the control can exit from an error handling routine using a resume statement, and the answer is true. Yes, that is true, that the control can exit from an error handling routine using a resume statement. Second statement is there is no difference between and stop statements. The answer is false, means there's a difference between and stop statements. Number three, a false condition evaluates to null. The answer is false. False condition evaluates to 0. Actually, number four, a while when loop executes as long as the specified condition is true, and the answer is true. Number five, in while when loop, the loop control variable is always updated outside the body of the loop. And the answer is false. The true statement is the loop control variable is always updated inside the body of the loop. Number six statement is specifying and if statement within the body of a loop is referred to as a nested loop. The answer is false. Number seven statement is the go-to statement increases the complexity of the program. The answer is true. Yes, because at condition it transfers the control from one part of the program to the other. so it's not a good programming practice, and it is also not recommended at all. Number 8 statement is a condition specified in if statement may neither be true nor false. The answer is false. Ninth statement is there is no need to update the loop control variable in for next loop. The loop itself manage it. The answer is true. Tenth statement is, and the last statement is specifying an if statement within the block of another if statement causes syntax error. Answer is false. So I've discussed total 10 statements, true and false, one after another, which is quite helpful to again understand the concepts of the control structures chapter. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching my video.